Schaeffer back here with another Musaic audiophile build for you. This one a Hi-Fi 3 and a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. So let's get right to it. So this is a pretty straightforward upgrade. We kept some things practical and simple, like the subwoofer enclosure. We elected to do the audio control subwoofer here in the Stinger enclosure that mounts to this back door. There's this tray here, so we couldn't do any of the stealth boxes. And obviously a lot of things back here, so we just wanted to not do any kind of enclosure there, so kept it here, kept it simple, practical. Sounds really well as it's tuned really well. As far as the interior goes, we have two separate amplifiers. We're running two JL VXIs. We have a 606 VXI underneath the passenger seat that's going to run the tweeter, the mid-range, and the rear speakers. We have a 1005, which is going to run each mid bass, and it's going to biamp each mid bass to add more power, and then it's going to have that fifth channel for the subwoofer. Now you're going to notice these really cool pods up here. I can overlay some better pictures so you can see it a little bit more clear. But essentially we 3D scanned the dash and we created these pods to house a Focal Kevlar 3KM, which is a Kevlar M mid-range, and then we have the FRAC tweeters. So those are run active, and then we have the 6KM mid-bass woofer here behind the factory grill. That's going to be, again, that 6-inch Kevlar M mid-bass. The grills on the tweeter pods that we made duplicate that of the factory grill perfectly, so it looks like an OEM option. So again, we have the front three ways fully active. We have Focal access speakers here to replace what was in the sound bar, and then of course we have that rear subwoofer. Now as far as the DSP controller, we have our 205 knob here. This is going to be our DSP controller. We have two separate presets. The blue is going to represent the factory radio. The factory radio preset is going to run through an AP4 pack audio digital preamp interface. It's going to take the factory signal, give us a perfect digital output to our VXI amplifier setup. So again, we're going to get the best signal possible from this factory radio, making this like an aftermarket radio, if you will. And then our second preset is going to be our Astel and Kern SP4000 player. So this is going to be the best way to really get the return of the investment of all of the speakers and amplifiers that you're installing. It's going to just give you better stage width, stage depth. These have really high-end DACs, which aren't going to be available in your phone. So with that being said, this can play audio files all the way up to DSD, high-res FLAC, things like that, which obviously the factory radio cannot do. We fully sound treated all of this interior, so all of the entire interior came completely out, and a layer of hush mat and sound shield was applied to the whole vehicle to keep this whole thing resonant free. Obviously, in a car like a Jeep Wrangler, that's a great upgrade just in its own, even if you're not doing an audio system. Just to take the drone out of the road. There's a lot of reflections between the underside of this Jeep with the tires and the floor. So again, it just makes the interior of the Jeep here feel more like a luxury vehicle, opposed to like riding in an open Jeep. So it just really quiets down that ride, makes it for a more luxurious feel. So yeah, I mean, there's not really much more to get into about the audio here. It was super practical, super functional, and the car sounds really awesome. So if this is the first time you're seeing a video of ours, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you drop a comment, drop a like, help out that algorithm the best way that you can. That way it helps us out. Make sure you hit the alert bell letting you know anytime we drop a new video. Make sure you follow us on TikTok. Here's my handle below. We'll drop a lot of quicker videos on there during the project, so a lot of projects make it out to there, and Instagram as well, well before they make it out to TikTok. So also follow us there on Instagram. If you want to contact me for a job, here's my phone number followed by my email address. These are the two best points of contact for me. Also check out our website, musaicdesign.com. Here you'll find a full breakdown on every vehicle we've ever done, the full build log, the write-up, the pictures, the testimonials, everything is going to be right there in an easy to find spot. And like always, guys, I appreciate the feedback, I appreciate the follow, and
until next time, peace.